I can change your whole sauce. You a little more spicy, yeah. Now you dealing with a boss. I might treat you rightly, nah. No more messenger, baby. Now you dripping icy, ayy. You can't hang around me, baby. You start talking like me. I'm out your element. I'm too reckless for you, girl. It's evident. Wet, 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 wet.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Monifa here, and today I'm going to be doing a review. I'm going to be doing the review on a company called Isee Beauty. It's a AliExpress hair company, and yeah, we're going to be doing unboxing. Really not an unboxing because I ripped this open already. I had this for 3 weeks now. I just haven't got the chance to talk about it. Here's the package. And I bought 2 bundles of 12-inch. I bought 2 bundles of 12-inch because I noticed, like, when I get like 3 or 4 bundles, like the hair the hair is really thick. I usually get curly hair or kinky hair that matches my natural hair. I never really get like straight hair. So if I wanted to get straight hair, maybe I would have got 3 or 4 bundles, but I got 2 because it can always get big with 2, you know? So the hair that I got is Mongolian hair, 100% human hair. It's the Mongolian Kinky curly hair. Y'all probably can't see that right now. And they gave me a card, and it says, "Dear Beauty, thank you so much for choosing Isee Hair, and thanks for trusting Jesse and Kate." Those are the owners of the company, Jesse and Kate. "You give me your money, I return your beauty. If you like our hair, please give Jesse and Kate more support by sharing our beautiful pics on your social media. And if you may tag us, that will be wonderful. Waiting for you to become the next Isee Queen." And then at the bottom it shows their IG, their Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp message and their phone numbers. And then at the bottom it shows other Isee Beauty models and their IG name at the bottom. And it also comes with lashes, but I took those out the packages because I was trying to learn how to apply them. But like, putting on lashes is so hard. I tried watching so much videos. I tried to, like, I don't know how they put that on. Like, I'm still in the process of learning. But once I learned out, I'm gonna be bopping. So let me take it out the wrapper and show you guys how it looks. Okay, this is supposed to be 1B, but it looks more like a 2. Like, my hair is really, oh, mind you, this part right here is not my real hair, but like this part is. And as you can see, like, my hair is really black, like black, like jet black. And this is supposed to be 1B, but it looks brown. It's not showing brown on the camera, but just know this is like a 2. I'm probably gonna dye this. I'm gonna see if I have shedding. Oh, that's not it. It's a little bit of shedding. They give you a lot of hair too. This is the 12-inch, by the way, so it's gonna reach pretty far, but it's curly hair, so it always shrinks up, so it's probably gonna reach here or here. And I'm probably gonna dye this and make, I don't know, probably gonna make a flip over method wig. Like, if you guys don't know what a flip over method is, it's like when you make a full wig, and then you put your hair, like I did with this one, you put your hair, how much hair you want to leave out in the front. So this, from my ears right here to this side of my ears is my actual hair. Like, I left so much hair out, and then I have the hair in the back, so my hair really blends in, and it looks, I don't know, it looks natural, more natural that way than leaving like an inch out for me. So I'm probably going to do the same thing to this hair, and this hair will blend a little bit more better with my hair, because as you guys can see, this hair is really like a loose pattern, and this is a tight curl, which is very similar to my hair when my hair is curled up. So, and I'm gonna dye it black so it can blend in. So that's Isee Hair Beauty. I'm gonna leave the link down below where I got this hair, and if you guys would like to see more hair reviews, or let me know in the comment section down below. And if you guys also would like to see how I style it and blend it in, or any updates on the hair, let me know down below. I know this video is like super short, but it was just a quick, simple unboxing and initial hair review, even though it wasn't really initial because I ripped it open, but you get the point. And see you guys in my next video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also share, and see you guys in my next video. Okay?